Dab it in. And then you can do as one coat if you want, just really like a smoky look. But if you want to be like a really darker, obviously, you can add more. And dab a couple times. And let it set. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Thursday. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorial. So excited to have all of you. And all you need is really simple. You don't need any alcohol, no acetone at all, or not even a brush. All you need when you're using Glitz Fusioning, your bestie going to be your crystal clear. So then the crystal clear will definitely do the trick and do the magic for you and definitely blend yours marble look. Is super easy and effortless. So I'm gonna dip in, pick up some crystal clear, but not too much. You don't want to be, it just like you don't want to saturate the brush so much. You just want to get a little, hold on, let me move it here. Excuse me. And you're gonna do is dab it like from the outside toward inside. If you want your, like say you see that I move the fusioning outside in, so then you can create this really cool bending look. And you don't have to do it like try it all at once. You can move in a different spot and just really lightly touch. Okay, and wipe it off your brush first because you don't want to pick up all of your excess pigment from your brush to put it back into the bottles. It's going to contaminate the bottles of the crystal clears. You don't want that. You want it to stay nice and just a little bit. If you're using too much of crystal clear, this might be too much. You're gonna use just a little bit. It's like it just so cool, huh? It's really easy. There you go. Now do another one, and in the meantime I am going to get the gel painting in the bottle as well. I think is right here. I need the white one. Yeah. The white. And then I have a number 16 right here. And if you are like busy like me, we don't have a number 16. We don't have a swatch. You can definitely using the swatch is right on the top. I found it right on the top of the cat. Okay, and matte top coat already applied, so I want to do it one more time. So then for all of you, it's really simple. It's really cool to create that is like a smoky look. So again, you can apply however so the way you want it. There's no right way or wrong ways at all. You can do it like S shape, and you can do it zigzag, however you would like. And then you see that how wet it is. Let it set for a second. And then we can blend it. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box. Oh, hey, Mika from Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. So here's this crystal clear. Only you need is your crystal clear. This is going to be your bestie for fusioning. You would definitely take your marbling looks using glitz fusioning is so much easy. And you can see that it's created so many cool background for you. Whether you putting your stickers on or your crystals on, it's gonna look super cute and stunning. Oh my god, it's also now thinking of this. I should do a constellation though. The aqua for, what are aqua color for? Mika, you know? Maybe for Pisces?
Yes.
You think? Oh, let's do that then, huh? Can I get one of my crystal kits that I have? It had the constellations charms there. And then you keep doing it, like really pick just a little bit of yours crystal clear. Just ask Mika can get the brand new one. Can you get me a constellation charm? Sorry, I changed my mind. I want to do something cool with that. The charm constellation. Thank you. I changed my mind. You think it's gonna look good on that one, yeah?
Yes.
And then the new stickers. I said, oh, that has given me a lot of like inspiration. I'm gonna do crystal placement still, but I wanted to show you something that's really cool. Yep. So you can stop at any point. You can continue. You can just stop it. All right. Happy with this. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, if you want to leave it alone like this, absolutely. If you don't want to, you can add more. Here's a look, the smoky look.